Alright guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to put the emergency brakes on this 2019 GMC Acadia. Now all Chevys and GMCs are going to be the same thing, I believe, up until like 2020. How to set your emergency brake in service mode, or how to retract them without using a scanner. So here we go. Alright, so here let me first try to explain to you what we're going to do. While the car is off, we're going to hit the parking brake and turn it on at the same time. We're gonna leave the parking brake button on for about 10 seconds, right? So it's gonna be a little bit hard for me to do this with only two hands, because I have to use one hand to turn it on, one hand to actually leave the parking brake on, and the other hand to hold the camera. But we press the parking brake, and then with this hand I'm gonna try to turn it on. Okay, vehicle's on. Whenever you see the parking, that yellow line with the P start flashing, you're gonna release the parking brake button and then press it again as soon as you see it flashing. So we release it, we press it again. When you do that, you're gonna hear the parking brake do all these noises, you know, back and forth, going in and out. And then when it's done, it's gonna tell you the parking brake has been released. You can turn off your vehicle. Now you are free to go do your rear brakes, change out your pads. Your pistons should be all the way in, I believe. But if not, you can press them in since you already have it release mode. And to, let's say you're done with your brakes, what you can do now, then you come and turn on your car, and then press the parking brake button again for about 5 seconds. And then you're gonna hear the same thing. You're gonna hear all this thing going on in the back. The parking brake is gonna release and turn and everything, and then it's gonna tell you that the parking brake has been released, and then that light's gonna go off. And then all we're gonna do is, when we're gonna test it out, we're gonna put the parking brake on, you're gonna hear it engage, you're gonna turn it off one more time, you're gonna hear it disengage. Alright, that is it. So first you gotta take them off, you go do your brake pads, and then you come back and you turn it off and you're all set. Alright guys, really hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.